Today we're showing you a 2007 John Deere 5303 two-wheel drive tractor. Tractor has just over 1,300 hours on it. We traded this tractor in locally here from a small horse farm. Tractor's in nice shape, really nice shape actually. The paint is very nice and bright. It runs and works as it should. Nice clean two-wheel drive tractor. Again, just over 1,300 hours on it. And the engine is pre-emission, has none of the DPF or DEF systems, so completely pre-emission engine here. So very nice machine. If you're looking for a tractor to rake some hay, do some square baling, anything of that nature, certainly would be a very nice fit there for that type of application. Drawbar, top link are both with the machine. 540 PTO, has the rear hydraulic outlet back here. Couple little scuffs in the tires here, certainly doesn't affect the usability of the tire, but you can see where somebody might have turned a little too sharp there with a wagon or something like that. It's a straight 9-speed transmission, 3 ranges on the left here, 3 gears in reverse on the lever to the right, and the current hours on the tractor are 1329.2. We do take trades. We also offer financing for qualified customers. We also can arrange delivery here within the US. If you have any questions regarding this tractor or any of our other used machines, please contact us at masttractor.com.